Howdy and welcome back to another episode of Feeder Country. Today, we're going racing. 1, 2, 3. We got a sled there. There's number 4. Number 5. Number 6 and number 7. A little bit of race gas. All leaving here from the compound. Competition's already stacking up. We got some kids out here. 496, huh? Bros Garage confirmed. Even though the sticker says 550, huh?
Yes, sir. 496.
I like it, dude. Tell us a little bit about this machine.
It's an 81 new Blizzard. My family bought it new back in 81, and my grandpa ended up with it. I used to get towed in the caboose behind it when I was like 1, 2 years old, and it sat for about 20 years. And so then when Ben texted me and said, hey, there's a race, we need an under 500cc sled, she got brought back from the dead.
Love it, dude. Love it. Bringing them back from the dead. You look fast on it, I'll tell you that.
Appreciate it. It's been fun.
Have fun out there. Good luck.
Oh, I will. Thank you.
Oh, no.
Open your hood again.
Huh?
Open your hood again.
We gotta check for nitrous.
Yeah. Yeah, we heard you brought nitrous, man.
We got it for 600
Yeah,
bucks.
84G, that's an original Yamaha engine in there.
We got tech guy going out here.
Good.
Okay.
Everything's in the right class.
Okay.
No sneakers.
What kind of rat you have in there for weight reduction?
That's a Tahoe ground squirrel. That's ground squirrel.
Oh, yeah.
We have the riders lined up behind their machines. They're going to run up to their machines and start it and then take off. Like I said, 5 laps. May the best man win.
Feeder 500 is underway. Oh, look out. Got serious.
Racing against my man Tucker, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Who's gonna take the double?
Oh, right.
Racers ready? Get your placement. There you go. What's that racing for?
That's an arm pump.
All right.
This will make it worse.
Absolutely. Barely be able to hang on for the next one.
Oh yeah.
Okay, if you're ready, put your right hand up. Come on, racer. On your march. Let's go. Get set. Go!
Kill switch up.
Oh man.
I ran up to it and I saw it and I like pulled it up.
Oh, that's almost a rookie move.
Seriously, I think we're all rookies here at this. Oh, did I just save you?
All right, may the best man win.
Great racing, dude. I had nothing in the tank. I couldn't hold you off. Lap 3.
You started bogging?
Oh bad.
Yeah, I heard it.
I think the boys enjoyed that race.
Woo.
That was a great race,
That was
boys.
fun.
That was a great race. It was awesome.
Lap 3, I had nothing left in the tank. And I kept seeing him. I'm like, he's going to get me.
I know. One straight. Here we go. One old man. Go. Let's go.
fun. Something competitive that's fun. It's just
Yeah.
nothing serious. At the
No.
end of the day, it's-
Because none of us care like if we're the best oval track racer. Like it'd be cool, but like I'm not gonna lose sleep.
Yeah, I'm a Polaris champion, but yeah, it's that fun thing.
Oh, Vohk, you confused me. I didn't even recognize you. Okay.
Yeah, just check.
Racers ready. Your right arm in there if you are ready. May the best man win. On your mark, get set, go!
Oh my goodness! Yeah! Go ladies! Damn! You can do it!
Racers go!
Ladies, you ready? Put your right hand in the air if you are ready. Oh yeah, here we go. There you go.
there's your recap on the Feeder 500. It was a great event. Thank you to everyone who came out once again, and hope to see you all at the next one. If you've made it this far, go ahead and check out my website or something, feedercountry.com. I don't know. All right, till next time, keep feeding, my friends.